Now let me walk you through the assembly of the 40-ounce processing bowl. I recommend to always assemble the product before attaching to the motor base. The Pulse technology will activate as soon as it's attached. Hold your Ninja blade system by the spindle. They are very sharp. Place the blade system into the processing bowl. At this point, you would add your ingredients. Always make sure to have your blade set in the bowl before adding ingredients. Next, take your Pulse lid, aligning the pour spout on the lid with the pour spout on the processing jar. Just as a double check, we've added an arrow on the handle to make sure that everything's aligned properly. Push down firmly, and then push your Pulse bar all the way down to lock into place. Now let's attach the processing bowl to the base. Align the handle with the locking icons on the motor base. Turn the handle to the forward position to snap into place.